Alright, congrats on completing the first part of the course. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you have, don't hesitate to leave us a review, that'd be amazing. And just in case, to leave a review, here's how you do it. Just click on the three dots here and leave a review. And there you go, do you recommend this class? Yes. Okay, so your project for this UX research section is to come up with the basic user stories for your one feature, the one that your app will be focused on. So in order to do that, you can use all the tools we've studied in this section, the user persona, the brainstorming techniques for the solutions, the hook model, and then upload the final goal story and the detailed steps of this story for your key feature, exactly like we did for our app. And remember to use this template for the goal story. That's it, guys. See you in part 2 of the course. This is going to be really exciting. We'll start using Sketch to design the actual interface of your app. See you very soon.